My name is Claudia de Sa. I am in grade 10 and I will be doing public speaking. I am from the Hoërskool Wonderboom. In an upside down world, we must stand upright. Going with the flow only works when the river isn't flowing off a cliff. Look carefully at the world we live in. The current is accelerating, the noise is increasing, and the edge is closer than we think. Chairman, upside down is a condition, upright is a decision. If we do not stand against what is false, shallow, and destructive, we are not victims of the fall, we are participants in it. Ladies and gentlemen, our society feels normal because compromise sounds harmless. Convenience disguises itself as wisdom, and cultural pressure becomes conformity, and conformity becomes identity. It all feels safe until the slope becomes a cliff. I am not here to admire the view. I am here to sound the alarm. Firstly, our world feels upside down because we have normalized performance over principle. Social media did not invent insecurity, it industrialized comparison. We begin to measure our worth in reactions instead of character. Professor Jonathan Haidt, social psychologist at New York University, co authored the article Social Media and the Health Crisis Among Youth, published on 23 March 2023 in The Atlantic. Professor Jonathan Haidt explains that social media increases comparison, anxiety, and destabilizes identity. I agree, because we choose applause over truth, trends over principles, and drift without even noticing it. The question remains, did we pay good money to upgrade our phones, but to downgrade our principles? Secondly, our world feels upside down because cultural pressure has normalized conformity. Today, it is not dangerous to be wrong. It is dangerous to stand apart. Dr. Jan Zhu and colleagues published the article Development and Validation of the Pro-Social Conformity Tendency Scale in Adolescents in February 2025 in the Personality and Individual Differences on the Science Direct website. The study warns that sustained conformity suppresses independent thinking, weakens moral judgment, and normalizes behavior simply because it is socially accepted. When cultural pressure shapes behavior more than conviction does, truth is no longer defended, it is negotiated. Thirdly, our world feels upside down because repeated exposure to corruption dulls our discernment. Dr. Lisa K. Fazio, Associate Professor of Psychological at Vanderbilt University, co authored the article. Knowledge does not protect against illusory truth, published in 2023 in the Journal of Experimental Psychology General. Her research shows that repeated exposure to violent and morally degraded information increases its perceived truthfulness simply because it becomes familiar. I agree. Scripture calls us to fix our minds on what is good, noble, and true in order to attract what is righteous. When our minds are flooded with distortion and moral collapse, our conscience start becoming numb. Finally, our world becomes upside down because moral compromise no longer alarms us. It excuses us. In 2022, Dr. Francesca Gino, behavioral scientist and professor at Harvard Business School, published research in organizational behavior and human decision processes, examining what she calls ethical fading. Her findings show that repeated small ethical compromises gradually weakens moral standards over time. And when compromise becomes normal, integrity becomes rare. Let me ask this. If we keep lowering the standards to meet the culture, who will raise it when it matters the most? Ladies and gentlemen, I conclude with this. Identity is distorted. Conformity replaces courage. Compromise becomes culture, and slowly, without noticing it, we normalize what once should alarm us. If truth is negotiated instead of defended, if principles are traded for approval, and if compromise becomes easier than conviction, then we are not standing upright. We are drifting with the current. Going with the flow only works when the river is not flowing off a cliff. Look carefully at the world we live in. The current is accelerating. The noise is increasing. And the edge is closer than we think. Upside down is a condition. Upright is a decision we all must make for the sake of integrity and honor. Will you and I stand upright or become part of the fall?